guys, this is Thunder Zeus Show, and my name is Zeus. So today we are going to take a snack and draw. So let's do this, guys. So this is easy to open. Dun dun. Whoa! Look at this. Ah. Let me look at this thing.
Bino! Hindi kita bibigyan. Labad ka.
Okay.
Sige na. Tapos na ako.
This really tastes good.
Kumuha ka naman. Ano ba?
I don't know what my brother's saying right now, guys. Do you guys understand? Because I don't understand. Bertie, what are you saying?
Sinama naman, perse.
Also, guys, tell me down in the comment section below what if you get 1,000 subscribers in just one day, or I mean like 1 second, no, 5 seconds. Wait, I'm gonna say 1 minute because it might take a long time.
Dito sa chair mo. Ako. Ay, nako. Yung ano mo, magpalit tayo ng diaper muna. Ay, isip ka diaper first. Ano ang diaper mo? Puno na. Sige na. Oo, dito ka.
This tastes good.
Hey!
I'm almost eating all of them. But now I am. I really have a cough, guys. Maybe not, maybe it's because this yogurt is cold. Okay, so we are done of this. I'll be back, guys. Whoa! Okay, guys, let me just get you. Okay, let's move on to the drawing table. Wait, guys. She's upstairs, Percy. Okay, guys, let's start drawing. We're going to do this immediately. What? Oh. Okay. Let's see which one's the sharpest. Not this one. This looks small. Okay, so we'll use this pencil. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Today we are going to draw an emergency alert sign. Like something that pops up on TV when if it's going to flood or something. Yeah. We'll do 2 of them. Well, at least there's one in Las Vegas though. Okay, let's start drawing, guys. Emergency alert. What? What?
I'm done.
Let me see, okay? Just look, guys.
Okay.
My brother said that he's done.
What?
My brother is done. He's so fast. Maybe he's fast.
I'm done.
I know you're done, Percy. Ooh, I'm really scratching. Got it. Okay. What can we write? What was the first thing that happened in our alert? You know what? I am going to say a flash flood warning. We might say the
Mama!
flash flood warning in half.
Mama!
Where is my grandma?
Mama! 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 I'm done, Mama. Mama!
He's already Mama. Percy's already done with his yogurt.
Are you done, babe?
Yeah.
So you will change your diaper now. Huh?
So we're just gonna write it like this, guys, because that comes up and I can like move them all.
Yeah. You will change your diaper.
Okay,
now.
that was fast, guys. So let's start coloring.
Yes.
Coloring.
Kumawa ka ng diaper mo.
So first color,
Yeah.
the first color we need is black. We'll put black everywhere. So we would have like 80% black and 30% and 20%. No, we'll have 70% black and 30% red. So that means 100% of coloring. That's what it means. Because 70 plus 30 is 100. That kind of looks like 7 plus 3 actually. Okay. We're just putting the black around. Okay. There. Look at this. It looks like a little bit like a mustache. Okay, so let's color this part.
Sandali lang.
My brother's a little bit not waiting. Okay.
Manla.
I'm gonna let this see the alert part. De-iced? Emergency alert. Oh, I don't have enough black. Hey, there's another black. Is this black? Nope, purple. I don't know if there's black. Oh, I found one. That's just right in the... I can't get it. There, black. Got black.
Oi.
Let me help him.
Iya, Cici. Boy. Iya, Cici.
He wants gecko.
Ano mo sasabihin, Casey? News. ABC?
Okay. Oh yeah, it's 509. Sorry guys, I have lots of things to do. Okay. I think we'll just take a rest for the black, and that was like 20% black right now. So let's get the red. Is there any red here? Well, everything is taped. It's like I can't find red here. Before I did get it. What? I think I'm going to dump the crayons. Oh, I think I see red. Uh-oh. I dumped them. Just a sec, guys. Where's red? I think I am going to need red here, but... I think I just found one. Oh, there it is. Found red, guys. This does look like in TV on the paper. Look at this, guys. Right? This looks kind of normal to me.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. My brother is actually here because I can feel it. And he's just leaving. Whew. Need to get this crayon. On the back, everything would just be black. So, Percy, don't you want to draw on the others over on the table?
No.
Okay, I think you guys need to move over a bit. Percy, you're covering my paper. Make it like this, then. There. I want to go like this. Whoa, this is so hard, guys.
No.
Oh yeah, I can make it like that. It's possible.
Bye, guys.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it, guys.
Actually, sorry that I'm doing the right hand part because I know I'm just like blocking it. It's just because I always color with my right hand.
Oh, guys. Color.
Yep.
Color, do this.
Yeah. It's been a great day today, guys.
Red there. Red.
Okay. There. Oh, yes. Now we just have to do the black. We're almost done of this front one.
Are
Yay.
you writing this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Color.
Yeah. You know what to write?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're scrabbling.
What?
Yeah. But your writing's still nice,
Done.
Percy. You're just a baby. just put it down like that so that our subscribers can show it to you. To our subscribers, right, Percy?
Yeah.
Don't forget, guys, that his nickname is Percy. You can call him Perseus because that's his name. He's drawing nothing. You can guys see that he's just. It's like a plain pipe. Oh yeah, you can guys slightly see his drawing, but my drawing is nicer. But I'm thinking he has a nice drawing to me. Because if I say it's bad, he sometimes gets mad. Right, Percy?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, guys. I hope you guys don't. I hope they don't. I hope our viewers don't drop. What are you? Don't draw on the table, Percy.
Go.
Oh yes, this is 60%. Yeah, I'm actually scribble scribbling. What? Cool. Let's keep doing what we're doing.
Done.
Percy, it's like you're drawing. Oh, you almost made the Pac-Man ghost. Oh my God! You almost made the Pac-Man ghost, Percy. Yeah. He looped. Wait, lo. Oh wait, give me your paper. I'll show it closer. See, guys, this almost looks like the Pac-Man ghost. Wait, I'll make it like this. Yeah, that was Pac-Man ghost, Percy. Whoa, I like my drawing actually. I like coloring the rest black, but the rectangle will be red because that sounds like an emergency alert goes. Guys, this is going to take so long. Still have to do the back. I think we'll do the back tomorrow.
No.
Uh-oh. Percy! Oh. I think this is 50% now. No, I'm thinking 60%. No, this is like 42% on coloring. Look at this, guys. It's almost done.
Done.
I say that this is 77%.
Go.
There. Now we just have to color the bottom. Yeah, this is going to take a long time, guys. We're 13 minutes of drawing time, guys. I think this will take more than 13 minutes. That's not Mickey Mouse. No, it's not.
What?
Yeah. I'm keeping this like portrait right now.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks good. Oh my goodness! You're writing a bad circle. It's like this, Percy.
Good.
Yeah, that's a circle. See? That's a circle. Oh, yes. We are just 87% left. 89, 99, 100%. What? Yeah. We have 100% coloring, so that means 70% of black and 30% of red. Wait. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one, I think I'm gonna make this portrait now. Hmm? Oh, I still have to color. Oh my goodness. And I don't even have much battery for this because I'm in 10%. Let me erase this. Yeah, I really messed up. Percy, are you mad?
Yep.
Oh, no, you're not. Yeah, I'm just helping you, Percy. Yeah. I just folded my paper. Whoa. It says emergency alert.
There.
We'll start here.
A button. Big.
Emergency alert
Mama.
system. 16 minutes of drawing.
Fine.
F. F. Oh, aakyat ka na naman tapos pababa.
Percy, we're continuing the video.
Hello?
Yeah. Okay, now we just have to color this black now. Wow.
Fun.
This is fast actually if I colored this part.
Yeah.
Oh, don't laugh so hard. Or else you might lose your voice. Yeah, his drawing's so nice. And then since there's a black here, I'm gonna spread it out. Oh, actually I colored through the G. Oh, that's yellow. That's yellow, Percy. Why are you making sounds, Percy? Oh, cool.
Okay, I'm done.
You're done with the yellow?
Oh, correct.
Want me to help you?
Correct.
This is red.
Oh.
It's like, oh. Goodness.
Done.
No.
Not the red one.
I don't need this color.
Red.
I'm only needing black, but I do have black, Percy.
What?
Yeah.
This.
What are you saying, Percy? This may be a little bit worse. I'm just wasting this thing. Ah, yes. This can remind me of this video we're making right now, guys. Ah, so refreshing. I'm coloring too much right now.
What?
Yeah. We're making 100% black. Don't spit, Percy, or else somebody would dislike our video.
Yeah.
Yeah. My brother a little bit knows how to say videos. Hear this. Percy, say videos.
Finish.
See? His D is actually is an L.
Papa. Papa balloons.
Purple videos. What kind of purple video? What? I'm coloring the bottom first. Okay, almost done there. After this, I can do the top now. Then that's the end of the video. I mean, I'm gonna have to show you guys what I'm doing right now. I think this can be our hand cam. Okay.
Papa?
Okay, almost done, guys. I'm just at the top right now. I'm coloring the top part now.
Papa, now?
Yeah. I colored the E. Oh no, and now I have to erase this black again. Okay, I'm just playing with my saliva.
Got the bucket.
Yeah.
Oh.
Service. There we go. Now we have the E. Oh my goodness, we're almost 100%, guys. I'm thinking this is 90%. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yes. Look at this, guys. Yeah, it's so cool.
Guys. Oh, you're right there.
Oh my goodness. I think this is 98%. No, 92%. 93. 96, 97, 98, 99, almost there, 99, and then, I think I'm almost done. And then we are 100%. So both drawings are 100%. Wow. So now we'll show you our drawings. We'll do it close, I think this is my drawing. This is the back part, and this is the back part. Ah, it's backwards. It's upside down. Yeah, that's how it looks like, guys. Okay, so now we just have to fold it. Oh. Okay, watch how it goes, okay, guys? The greatest way to like fold it when there's a colored part on the space you're supposed to fold. To do it, you can just like hit it lightly, just like I did. Okay, right, guys. So that like if I was folding and if there was a coloring space, look what I have to do. Okay, guys, look. See, guys, I just have to push it. See, guys? I'll make another part. Then that's all. Ah, don't ruin it, Percy. Ah, you're folding. You're folding it like you're putting it to the garbage. Ugh. Yeah, that's a great phone. Okay, guys. So that is the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and leave us down in the comment section below. What else should we do? Or how was our drawing? Thanks for watching. Bye.